Have you ever wondered why do we yawn? It's not just because we are tired. Yawning helps cool down your brain like a fan for your head. When your brain gets too warm, yawning increases airflow and lowers the temperature, helping you stay alert. You won! Watching this, I got you! Follow for more brain effects. MaazZ View.